So hello and welcome back, and yes, we're gonna continue with removing the rest what's left of the Ford Focus MK4, and now I want to showcase you how to remove the inner mirror. So we have these two plastics. So one, let's just click it like this, down. So we have this plastic, you just take it out, not that hard, and the other one should be the same, just it's one click is so like this. It stands like this. This won't go inside of that, and that's how it holds. And here we have it should be just turn it around and click it out. So basically just turn it around here like this. You want to be careful when you turn it around. It's kind of harder with one hand, but so yeah, as you can see here, same goes back. So you start like this and click it on this side. With one hand it's gonna be harder. Like this, so you turn it here and turn it back. So same goes to take it out. So here, that's how you take out the inner mirror. So and what else we have here? We have this this one. It's kinda, I believe it's just to take it out. It's something like this. You click this out, so this side and other side will fall off. Then you have just one wiring over here. So this is a red camera, and yeah, it's kind of heavy, to be honest. It is kind of heavy. And what else we have here? So we have this I believe this rain sensor. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's a rain sensor. So basically, to take that one out, you just clicked like from here, so from here up, and yeah, this side. So this, I have this clip here and this clip over here, and then you take it out, easy peasy. So yeah, I believe it's a rain sensor. So, and there should be some clip inside of here to pull it off. Oh, here is the clip. Made in Germany. Oh, not bad. So basically that's that. I hope it will help you. If you have any other questions, I'm gonna make a few more videos on this. Maybe the ones, maybe the seat belts and stuff like that, but we'll see. And I believe there was a question for the fan, inside the fan. Might get to that one as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one.